Welcome to our training video. Today we will show you how to create and publish a punch-out catalog as a supplier in the wescale network. Our main character, Olivia, will accompany us.
Hello again, everyone. Nice to see you.
Many of Olivia's customers are switching their catalog provision to wescale. Olivia has been invited to join the wescale network and has successfully registered. As a supplier, Olivia offers a punch-out catalog, among other things, which her customers will have to subscribe to in the future. To get started, she navigates to catalog management.
I'm now in catalog management and ready to create a new punch-out catalog.
Olivia clicks on New Punch-Out Catalog and begins entering the catalog details. She specifies the name of the catalog and selects the preferred protocol.
I'm calling the catalog Olivia's Punch-Out Catalog and selecting the OCI 5.0 protocol.
Now Olivia fills in the fields on the various form pages. The fields in bold must be filled in. All other fields are optional, but help to describe the catalog as best as possible.
I'm entering the important information here and adding additional details to present the catalog in detail.
Olivia can also add contact persons or service centers that interested parties can contact.
I'm adding my colleague as a contact person so that interested parties have someone to turn to.
After entering all the information, Olivia publishes the punch-out catalog. She can also save the catalog as a draft if she wants to publish it later.
I'm done, and I'm publishing the catalog now.
The catalog is now visible on the wescale network. Olivia can also customize the catalog after it has been published. Changes will only be updated on the network after it has been republished.
Great! My punch-out catalog is now online. I can update it anytime if necessary.